Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the Sunday additional of the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, April the 22nd, 2023. Yeah, today is actually Sunday, and we will continue with this additional seven extra puzzles in this additional: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Sugu, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. The 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the tectonic, and the binary I will do. Well, why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku number 6321. 6321. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. 3 stars Sudoku, always 25. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult to solve. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 4 2s. Alright, we have here 1 3, 3 4s, 2 3 5s, 4 6s. Alright. 1 2 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the 2s and the 6 are a majority. Can I start with the 2? That's the question. Let me see. Yeah, we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2. Alright. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait again. Well, we have a pair here. The 2 and the 4. Sorry. The 2 and the 4 in this row. The 2 and the 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Alright. And then, let me see. 2 and the 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, okay. We have a 4 in this column. 4 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. That means we have a 4 here, here 4. That means in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here cannot be a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. And here cannot be a 4 because we have a 4 also in this row. No 4 there. So the 4 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 6, 6, okay. 3, 3. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 9 should be there. 5, okay. And 1, need a 1 here. Okay, we have a pair. Look, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1. We have a pair. The 1 and the 5 in the first column. The 1 in one of those two boxes and the 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. So 1 digit left in this third column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this first column for the master. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Yeah, the 3. Alright. 7, 8, and the 1 is missing here. Okay. Now. How about the 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above? So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1. That means we need a 1 there. Okay. 2. Come on. The 6 in this row, the 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. This box is reserved for the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, yeah. Alright, now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers, the 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 3 and a 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. And look, we have a pair here in this column. So the other pair should be the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 and 7, okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then 5 and a 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Yeah, 6 in the third row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. All right. Okay. Then. One number left in the last row. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, the 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One of us, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 now in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3, alright. How about the 9s then? And all the 9s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 3, number 9. How about the 2s then? And nope, we need a 2 here. Oh, 8, 2 and 8. Well. Yeah.
Sige, Roy,
Yeah. Okay. Let me continue. 6, 1, 2, and the 8 are missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 3 stars. Well, no. 2 stars. No. It's a 1-star puzzle. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with other 3 puzzles.